Are you experiencing lag while playing Xbox Cloud Gaming and want to enhance your gaming experience? Let's dive into some quick and effective tips to fix it. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast. Aim for a minimum of 20 Mbps, and use a wired Ethernet connection or sit close to your Wi-Fi router for better signal strength. Reduce network congestion by limiting other devices from streaming or downloading large files while gaming. For mobile gaming, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for faster speeds. Keep your controller firmware updated and make sure the device you're playing on meets the recommended system requirements. Additionally, close background apps or processors that might be using bandwidth, and try lowering the video stream quality in the Xbox Cloud Gaming settings to prioritize smooth gameplay over resolution. If all else fails, restart your router and device to refresh the connection. With these steps, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite Xbox games with minimal lag.